So I have 3 mugs that I am pressing right now. So the trick with the mugs is I'm sorry, tumblers is what I'm pressing. The trick with the tumblers, if you are using a mug press, which I am, you can still use a mug press and make tumblers with it. So what I do is I put the tumbler in, I press it down at 380 for 75 seconds. And then what I do, as soon as this timer goes off, I flip it. I just turn it this way and let it sit for another 75 seconds. And then I do the bottom half. And I am about to do the bottom half as soon as this timer goes off right here. And then it sets pretty well. Sometimes there can be a little bit of ghosting, but overall, I'm very happy with the results, and it's better than purchasing another tumbler press. So we're just going to do the bottom half and place it in there, close it, and press it. Start button, 75 seconds. And as soon as this timer goes off, I'm going to open my mug press, just rotate it, and press it again for another 75 seconds. So 75 seconds, 4 times with a mug press, and you're usually good to go.